All right, in this next video, we're going to do three things. We're going to apply a new theme to our website. We're going to change out our permalinks, and then we're going to add our site logo. So let's start with the appearance first. So we're going to go to appearance and themes, and the theme we're going to look for is called Buzz Store. Okay, so I want to add a new theme. Come up here and type in Buzz Store and hit enter. And we're going to get Buzz Store Lite, online e-commerce, this other one. We're going to do this first one. That's fine. So click install. It'll say installing and then activate. Okay. And if you want to see what it looks like after you hit activate, you can go to visit store, and this is what it should look like. Okay. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. So you notice I just went up visit site, or you can go back to dashboard. So it says we have it. We can import the demo, which we don't want to necessarily do because it's going to add a whole bunch of content that we'll have to just go through and delete. But if we wanted to, we can import that that stuff. So from here, that's the first thing. Now we want to change our logo. So what we want to do is we want to go into media. This is where we put all of our pictures, and we want to add a new picture. Okay. So we're going to say add new, and we're just going to drop in the logo that we installed before. Okay. So that's going to be now added. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's in there now. So if we go to our library, there's our picture. So to change out that picture, we go to appearance and customize. Okay. And now it's going to load up the Buzz Store theme, and we want to go to, I want to say it's probably in maybe general settings and then site identity. And then in here it says select logo, and we want to just go into our library and select our logo and click select and say, we don't need to crop it, but I mean, I guess if we hit crop, now it shows up. Okay. So that's there, but we also want to say do not display the site title, because I'm not really big fan of that site title. So we've gone ahead and just unchecked that box and added that. Now we click publish, and it will take us back to our dashboard, and we can view our site and look at, there's our logo up there. Again, it does not have to be a fancy logo. Okay. But for right now, that's perfect. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to change our post type. Okay. So let's talk about that for a second. If I go to appearance, if I go to settings and permalinks, when you make a new page, a post or a page, mostly posts, I think, when you make a new post, this is how the post will show up. And what we like is we like this one here called post name, because then it will add better, it'll take whatever the title is of the post and put it at the end, as opposed to like dates, times, folders, and things like that. So we're going to just say post name, and then there should be a save changes. All right. So those are the three things that we need to get done in this next step.